Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the usual suspects and to the newcomers. Today's aircraft is the All Nippon Airways, also known as ANA Lockheed L-1011-1 airliner that was used for Japanese and Pacific Ocean basin passenger service. Stay tuned to learn the 20-year history of this classic trijet. This aircraft was powered by three Rolls Royce RB211 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 42,000 pounds force or 187 kilonewtons. Each aircraft typically carried around 256 passengers in a typical 3-class layout, but that could be increased to 400 when needed. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 520 knots or 963 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 2,700 nautical miles or 5,000 kilometers, with a standard payload. This aircraft and its 5 siblings acquired by ANA were purchased in 1972, and this particular aircraft was delivered on December 15th of 1975. Initially painted in the light blue Mohican livery, with a Leonardo da Vinci helicopter design painted on the tail as a representation of the original helicopter transportation company that eventually spawned the modern ANA airline. This aircraft's only registration is and was Juliet Alpha 8517. In the 1990s, this aircraft and the rest of the fleet were repainted in the modern-day Triton Blue livery. This consists of 2 different tones of blue starting at the front of the plane, widening to its highest width on the tail with ANA emblazoned on the tail. This aircraft was removed from service by ANA to the Arizona desert in late 1993 and eventually scrapped in 1995. What you're seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale NG models version of this aircraft released in 2023. As you can see here, this particular run of models in 1/400 scale has been the only one produced so far by any manufacturer. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution on YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.